Okay, question 7. Without graphing each function, state whether it has a maximum or minimum. Give the maximum or minimum value of the function. Okay, great. Perfect. Let's do A. Let's do 7 C. Let's do 7 E. Let's do 7 G. And you can do the rest on your own. Ready? Y equals x squared plus 6x plus 2. Oh, that's easy. Okay, so let's break this up. X squared plus 6x. Now, forget the plus 2 for a second. We're going to break up the plus 2. But what do we need to make this last value a perfect square? Well, we have to divide 6 by 2 and square. So 3 squared plus 9 minus 9. Oh, let's add the 2 later. Plus 2. So this is going to be our perfect square. X plus 3 square minus 7. Okay, so it's going to look like this. This point is going to be, guess what this vertex is going to be? It's going to be minus 3 minus 7. So what does it ask us to do? It has a minimum equals 7. Done. That's all it asked us to do. Let's do 7C. 7C is the following. Y equals minus x squared plus 8. Take out the minus. Y equals minus x squared plus 8. Is that 8 or 8x? 8x plus 8x. Now what do we want to do to 8? Divide by 2 and square. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 squared is equal to 4 squared, which is equal to 16. Plus 16 minus 16. Ooh, looks like we're not going to have room for G. Okay, no problem. We don't need to do G. All right, that's it. We have no extra value here. So what do we do next? Y equals minus x plus, oh, see where we made a mistake? Right here. Because we should have taken out this minus from here. See, minus times this plus becomes minus, not the plus that we have. So we're going to remove that. We're going to change that. Always catch your mistakes. Minus. All right, which means this is now a minus because our perfect square formula is not going to work the same. So we have a minus 4 square. And now look, this minus 16, to get out of the bracket, we need to multiply it by minus. So let's just do that. Plus, oh, for God's sakes. Plus 16. So guess what our vertex? Vertex comes from here and here. It becomes 4, 16. And it opens up downwards, which means it has a max. And our max is equal to our y value, 16. Finally, let's do E. Y equals x squared plus 10x. It's already positive, so it's going to be opening upwards. Plus 10x minus 5. So, ask yourself, what do we have to add to make it a perfect square? Divide 10 by 2. 10 divided by 2 squared equals 25. 10 divided by, let's do it in multiple steps. Equals, 10 divided by 2 is 5 squared, which is equal to 25. So we're going to add 25, subtract 25, and minus 5. Completing our answer, y is actually equal to x plus 5 squared minus these guys. That's x plus 5 squared minus 30. All right, we don't have to graph it. it is opening upwards. That means it has a minimum. See, that's a minimum. Look, it can go down to a minimum. It can't go down any further. Minimum is y, or we don't have to say what y is. Basically, minimum is our negative 30. And let's say, we said we were going to do g, so let's just do g. It's just rearranging the function. Y minus 21 equals x squared minus 14x. So y equals, you know what, let's complete the square and move this minus 21. Why not? Let's just, minus 21. Let's just keep it there until later. X squared minus 14x. What do we have to add and subtract to this? Divide by 2 and square. Plus 49 minus 49. So what does that become? Y minus 21 equals, this is x minus 7 square minus 49. And guess what? Let's move this 21 here, plus 21. Which means y equals x minus 7 square minus, I can't do this in my head, I think 28. So guess what? It is opening upwards. It's a minimum. By the way, what's this vertex? This vertex is 7, 20, minus 28. Our minimum is equal to minus 28. That's it for question 7. 7 AECG.